Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best 3-wheel scooters that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the YBike GLX Pro 3-wheel scooters. The present 3-wheel scooter model proves to be the next generation product of the renowned and award-winning brand YBike. Moreover, it comes with cutting-edge 3-wheels-based lean and steer design. This makes it one of the finest options for old-age people and even for experienced riders. Designed after the award-winning 3-wheel young scooter YBike GLX, the Learn and Steer Pro scooter is the best option for older and more skilled riders. A great way for kids to get fresh air gliding over pavement, enjoying a fun and wholesome outdoor activity. As riders develop better coordination, endurance, and overall strength, the YBike GLX Pro grows with them. Moving on at number 4, we have the Denhaven 3-wheel scooters for kids. Now ride your scooter with style by purchasing this model from Denhaven. The unique specialty of this scooter is its T-style handlebar that works to lock in place. Designed to sustain the bumps, this 3-wheel scooter is intended for long-term use. Nuestro exclusivo diseño de 3 ruedas le da al patinete estabilidad y seguridad. No hay necesidad de un pie de patada o para montar en bicicleta desquilibrada. At number 3, we have the Deluxe 3-wheel Maxi 3-wheel scooters. This advanced and improved model from Deluxe is intended to provide a joyous and stress-free riding experience. What makes it unique is its handlebars that are adjustable. Last but not least, these handles develop with your kid's height. Como los niños se ven tan cool y se la pasan tan bien, estarán más que contentos de usar su boom scoots para hacer pequeños viajes en vez de querer ir en automóvil. Esto hará que toda la familia esté más activa. Lo pueden llevar a la escuela, venir contigo a pasear al perro, ir al parque o a la playa o, simplemente, divertirse en el patio trasero. At number 2, we have the Razor Jr. Folding Kiddie 3-wheel scooters. Recognized as the best vehicle companion for young riders, this 3-wheel scooter presents a unique 3-wheeled design. The design is meant to build effective coordination and good balance. Kids age 3 and higher can use it. Designed for young riders, the Razor Folding Kiddie Kick Scooter features a 3-wheeled design that helps build coordination and maintain balance. The wide polypropylene deck is slip-resistant, and a new folding mechanism allows easy storage and transportation. Intended for children ages 3 and up. And finally at number 1, we have the Micro Maxi Deluxe Kick Scooters. Are you looking for an advanced 3-wheel scooter that packs all the exciting features for your kids age 5 to 12 years? If yes, then this vehicle is a recommended product. You can pick from 8 colors, as per your preference. Most importantly, when you give this to your kids, they would enjoy the ride and would love the incredible fun. Children of a maximum weight of 150 pounds can ride it easily. In order to stay away from any injuries, it is recommended that kids should wear helmets as well as knee pads while riding. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.